In the last section, we created this product. Now, let's see collections. Let's talk about Shopify collections. So collections are just categories, how you can categorize your products. Like for instance, in my store, I'm selling menswear. So that means that I can categorize my products as shirts, or if I was selling trousers, I would have had that as a collection. If I was selling shoes, that would have been a collection, but I'm only selling shirts and t-shirts. So I can have long sleeve t-shirts, short sleeve t-shirts. I can even have shirts collections. Just create collections based on how you want to create them. You saw me adding tags in this product. So one thing I can do is I can use those tags to create a collection. So let me come here under collections, and I'm going to create different collections. And you can see here we already have a collection for home, and you can just delete this because it's really not important to us. So once you select it, you can just delete collection. I can create a collection, and the first one I want to create. Now the good thing with this is you can also use this as a point for search engine optimization for your store. So you can add a title here, an SEO friendly title, and then you add SEO friendly description for this item. Okay, just learn some basics of SEO and how you can do on-page content SEO to write relevant key optimized articles that will probably help your store to rank higher than other stores that don't care about stuff like this. But if you're the one that cares, your product, your store is probably going to rank for various keywords that you decide to rank for. So for me, the first collection I want to create is short sleeve t-shirts. And then you can add a description here. So you can add a description, you can even add images. Just make sure you're trying to optimize your website, okay? It's all about effort. You definitely need to add an image, alt. It's all effort. Everything you do has a result when it comes to SEO. And then I'm going to insert that. Make sure this is all SEO optimized content. And then the collection type, you can choose to make it manual. So if it is a manual collection type, you can literally add products manually. If you're creating a manual collection type, maybe there are specific products that you want to group together, then you can do a manual collection type, and you just click on manual and then you save. Once you click on save, you will be able to add products once you click on save. And you can see up here, you can search for products. Maybe you want to add a specific product, just search for the product. Maybe that's the product I want to add there. I will add that, but I don't want to work with manual. Is there a way for me to edit this back into automatic collection? Is there a way? Okay, apparently there isn't one. So you can add the collection image there. If you want to add a thumbnail, you can add a collection image there. But let's go back to collections, and I want to delete this because there's no way for me to edit it back to what I need it to be. So once I delete it, I will create the collection again. And now, once I do that, I will also add the collection image, and I want the image to be that. Now I want an unautomated collection type. So this is one which is automatically adds products that meet a certain criteria. So the conditions that I want to be met, I want, maybe if I have multiple conditions, I will choose, do I want all the conditions to be met, or do I want just any one of the conditions to be true for a product to be added into this collection? So you can use any of these items. Maybe the product title is equal to something, the product type is equal to something. Okay, you saw I added. If you come here under the product that we added, you'll see that the product type was a t-shirt. So if the product type is a t-shirt, maybe you want that to be added in the collection. Maybe you do want the product price is greater than a certain price. Look at all these options that you have here, and you can use that. So like for instance, maybe I do want a collection that has short sleeve t-shirts, and I also want one that has t-shirts. So if I do want one that has t-shirts, I can just choose product type and I will choose t-shirts, and that's going to add products here automatically. But if I do want the products added here to be short sleeved, like I want in this case, I do want the short sleeved only. So I'm going to choose product tag, and I'm going to choose the tag of short sleeved t-shirts. And then as soon as I do that, I can save and I will see my collection. However, you do need to work on your SEO as well. So make sure your SEO, you add a title there that is SEO friendly, and then you add a description that is also SEO friendly, and will try to entice people to click on your search results instead of clicking on other people's. So that's what this is about. Enticing title, enticing description. And then the URL, you can change the URL, but for me, I'm going to leave it as it is because it's very descriptive of my collection. So once I click on save, I can come in here. To click on view, and we can view the collection. So one problem that I can already notice with this theme, it first of all brings me this description. Probably people don't care for that. And then it lists the product. So if this was my site, what I would do, if this was a real site, what I would do is I would actually work on the CSS and then bring this up and bring this down. And it's really not that difficult. And if that's something that you want to do, just feel free to let me know, and I can put a video for that together. However, for now, you can just do away with the description and just add the title. Okay, but it's important to have the description because it is important for SEO. So that's how you can create collections in Shopify. So you've seen in this video, just a recap, you can create automatic collections or you can create manual collections. And with automatic collections, you can use any of these items to automatically add products to your collections. All right. So I will see you in the next video. And in the next section, what I want us to do is I want us to see how we can add the different types of collections to this, the different types of variations to this product, because we do have different colors. We have different colors of this product, and we also have different sizes. So if that's something that you want to see how you can do, make sure you check out the next section. I will see you then.